Welcome to the Patience Upgrade, a guided reset for your mind and nervous system. If you've been feeling reactive, restless, or stuck in the trap of wanting everything right now, you're not alone. In a world built on speed, patience can feel outdated, but it's actually your superpower. And today, we're going to train it. Please get comfortable sitting or lying down. Close your eyes. Let's begin with a powerful breathwork technique called cyclic sighing. It's proven to calm your body fast and help build emotional resilience. Here's how it works. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Now, take a second, shorter breath in, like you're topping off the lungs. Then slowly exhale all the way out through your mouth with a sigh. It should sound something like this. Let's try one together. Inhale deeply through the nose. Top it off with a second, then slowly exhale all the way out through your mouth with a sigh. Try this alone now for 3 minutes. Go at whatever pace feels comfortable. Begin. Remember, inhale, quick inhale, and exhale with a sigh. One minute left. Now that your body is more regulated, let's move inward. Think about a moment recently when you felt impatient. Maybe it was waiting for a message, standing in line, trying to get somewhere faster. Instead of judging it, observe it like a scientist. Where did you feel the impatience in your body? Did your jaw tense? Did your breathing get shallow? Did your thoughts speed up? Think of all the symptoms. Now go deeper. What was really underneath that impatience? Was it anxiety, a need for control, the fear of wasting time? Impatience is often a signal that we're out of alignment with the present moment. It tricks us into thinking we're in danger if things don't happen on our timeline. But most of the time, there is no emergency. Think of your mind like your phone. When you have too many tabs open, apps running in the background, everything slows down. That's what impatience does. It eats up bandwidth. And just like you'd close extra apps to save battery and improve performance, you can close mental loops that aren't helping you. Ask yourself, what am I rushing toward? Is this moment really a threat or just uncomfortable? Can I allow this pause to strengthen me? Patience doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you stop reacting. It means you can hold space for discomfort without letting it run you. Now place your hand on your heart. Breathe in gently. Say silently, I am grounded. Exhale slowly. Say, I choose calm over control. Let's finish with 3 more rounds of cyclic breathing. Inhale deeply. Quickly in. Exhale slowly. Again, inhale deeply. Quickly in. Exhale slowly. One more time. Inhale deeply. Quickly in. Exhale slowly. You've just practiced a mental upgrade most people never take the time for. You can use this breathing technique to calm yourself quickly at any time. Patience is a skill, and like any skill, the more you train it, the stronger it gets. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes.